Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying a famous Dutch cookie called as Jan Hagel. It's a simple recipe with simple ingredients. So into a large bowl add some room temperature butter. Blend it to make it slightly creamy. Now add some powdered sugar and blend that again. Now once that is nicely mixed in, add some cinnamon powder to get that nice flavor for the cookies. Now into that add all-purpose flour and mix it. Once you add the entire flour, start mixing it using your hands. Add some milk in between and make it into a dough. Now take a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Add the dough into it. Press it down and fill the tray. You can brush it with some egg wash, but here we are making an eggless cookie. So I made a glaze with honey and water. Now finally add some chopped nuts. You can add any type of nuts. Walnut goes really well with these cookies. Now press down these nuts using a spatula. Give a cut and make this into bars and bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes. But keep a close eye on it. Once it changes its color, take it out. After the cookies are cooled down, it's ready to serve. Our cookies look so beautiful, it tastes really delicious. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.